Good morning. It is Monday, December 4th. So we're in the new month, and I've got a new weekly, monthly distribution here. This is the ES, and you can see that the market is trading exactly in the middle, or pretty much right in the middle of the range 45.74.72 by our calcs. And that's where the dealer has softly landed this. So that is a soft landing. Look at that. Huh. Okay. So here is the NQ, and you can see not so soft. We're trading below the mean at 15,976.64, and it's looking much weaker than the ES. Crude also sort of stabilizing on this daily one presently, but the weekly monthly one down here at 71.96 and 72.05 looks like that it is the target to have that one tested for a lower strike, or the upper one at 75. The Biden administration just sent out a tweet saying that they were going to be buying as much of the SPR as possible. So if they're buying oil, then that should be bringing the price down. Okay, we would think. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. We've got some rate decisions coming up, the RBA on the 5th, Bank of Canada on the 6th. We've got the ISM report tomorrow. It is tomorrow. And then the non-farm payroll on the end of the week on the 8th. On the 12th, the following week, we've got US CPI, the Fed on the 13th, and the 14th, Swiss National Bank, Bank of England, Norges, and ECB. So 14th is going to be a big day. So we'll keep an eye on some of these other, rate decisions as we go along. I've got some quarterly charts that I'm monitoring, these 90-day and 3-month ones. Looks like the Aussie dollar is trading above its 90-day one, so we'll keep an eye on that, see if that can hold. Um, the euro is in the middle. Keep an eye on that. The yen is at the low end, coming down towards your 90-day and 3-month down here, and your 1 month. So that looks like a pretty easy target. Here's your Bank of Canada right in the middle of its range, like the ES. ES is right in the middle of its range, and Bank of Canada in the middle of its. And put that back here so you can see it again. 35.56.1. Okay, we just looked at the ES. We're also sitting on the quarterly or 90-day one at 45.04. 45.64, I'm sorry. 45.64. So that is a pretty strong indication that if dealer has moved the risk out, that should become support, and especially given the length of time building that base, and that's sort of what we're seeing right now. So we're in the middle of the range, plus at 90-day support. $74 and $64. So there's your 10-point range, 64, 74. NQ 672.50 to come back and test that 90-day one. Crude 71.96, 68.59 to take that great news on they're going to be replenishing some more of the SPR. I mean, how could they not? They didn't do anything when it was sitting there in the low 70s for over a week or two. Okay, there's your 30-year bond. And I'm sorry, your 10 years. So we're right in the middle of the range in the 30-year. The 10-year, we're sitting on support right now. Right now, also at the 10-year one for that 90-day 130. 90-day. So these decisions, these rate decisions, are going to potentially impact bonds, stocks, currencies, equities, everything. So we'll keep an eye. We've got a plethora of them coming out. And that's all I have for you. So right in the middle of the range, pending these rate decisions and non-farm payroll and the ISM. So we're sort of like in a holding pattern, I think. All right. Thanks, guys. See you later.